back, students. Standard 10 Maths, Chapter 6 Triangles, and we are into the 20th session of this chapter, and this is going to be the final session, right? Okay. In the previous session, we solved some sums of exercise 6.5. Now we are going to see last 4 sums of the exercise. We move on to the next number, and the number is 12. Let us read the statement and try to know or find out what we have to find. 2 poles of heights 6 meter and 11 meter stand on a plain ground. There is a plain ground. On it there are 2 poles, one of height 6 meter and other taller of height 11 meter. If the distance between the feet of the poles is 12 meter, that means the 2 poles are 12 meters apart. Find the distance between their tops. Let's draw the diagram. It will give you better idea what is the distance between their tops. Okay. Here is the ground, correct? The shorter pole, let's say AB, it's perpendicular, its height is 6 meter, this is A. The longer pole is here, suppose it also stands erect, CD, its height is 11 meter, and AB is the first pole, its height is 6 meter, and its foot on the ground is B, point B. Point B represents the foot of first pole. Point D represents the foot of second pole, which is 11 meters tall. Alright? B is foot, D is foot. B and D are feet. Plural of foot, it's feet. And the distance between the feet is 12 meter. So that means BD is 12 meter. Now it's interesting. Find the distance between their tops. What is the top of pole AB? Yes, A. What is the top of pole CD? Yes, B. And the distance between the tops is going to be AC. Correct? The red segment is AC. And that's what we are supposed to find. But what we have to find is a line segment, but it's not a side of any right triangle. That is our problem. So we can't use Pythagoras. Alright? So we have a trick here. Let me draw a line through A. Or from A, let me draw perpendicular to CD. Here it is. This is perpendicular. A, B, C, D, let me call this as E. So from A, I have dropped segment AE perpendicular to CD. And the foot of perpendicular is on CD. So now I can see one triangle, right triangle, whose side is AC. If you want to find AC, you should know what is AE and you should know what is CE. Array, A, B, D, E. 3 angles are right angle. So fourth angle is also right angle. So this quadrilateral is rectangle. So opposite sides are equal. This BD will be equal to AE. So that is going to be 12 meter. Correct? Usi tarah, AB is 6. So ED is also 6. This is 6. This whole is 11. So tell me children, what will be CE? C dash, E dash, D. So CE plus DE is equal to CD. CE is not known. DE is known to you, it is 6. And CD is known to you, that is 11. So 11 minus 6, that is 5. So I will write here 11 minus 6. And that is equal to 5 meter. Did you get that? Sure? Fine. Now it's very easy. Now this is 12, this is 5. So you can easily find out AC, the distance between the tops of the two poles. Alright. I'll write down now. This can be a 2 marks question. If it is objective, you can write directly. Okay. So let AE be perpendicular to BC and D dash E dash C. D dash E dash C. Alright. Therefore, AB is equal to ED is equal to 6 opposite sides of rectangle. That is the reason. Correct? Same way, BD equal to AE. BD equal to AE equal to 12 meter. Again, opposite sides of rectangle. Alright, ये दोनों रिजल्ट को I'm calling it number 1. Alright, from where you can get AB6, ED6, BD12, AE12. Alright, okay. फिर मैं लिखूंगा now. Yes, this. Therefore, CE is equal to 5. Result 2. Finished. Done. Now, in right triangle AEC, AC square is equal to AE square plus CE square by Pythagoras theorem is equal to AE12, here it is, by 1, and then CE here by 2, that is 5. So AE12 square and CE5 square by 1 and 2. 12 square is 144, 5 square is 25. The total is 169. That is beautiful number, a perfect square, taking square root on both sides. Square root gone, so AC, and square root of 169 is 13 meter. That is the answer. Got it, children? Done? Good. Alright, so moving on to the next one, and that is number 13. Let's see the statement. D and E are points on CA and CB respectively of triangle ABC right angled at C. So you have right angle triangle and angle C is right angle in it. Prove that AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square. वो स्क्वायर्स हमारा पीछा नहीं छोड़ने वाला है और हम भी पीछे नहीं पड़ने वाले हैं. Will use Pythagoras to great extent. Let's see the figure first. Since it's a right triangle, let me draw. Alright, this is a right angled triangle. It is right angled at C. So let me put A here and B here. Okay. Well, D and E are points on CA and CB respectively. So D is a point on CA. CA is here. Let me take point D here. Fine. E is a point on CB. CB is this side. Let me take point here. E. Fine. That's it. D is a point on CA. E is a point on CB. And C is right angle in triangle ABC. Prove that. Children, I'm going to use all 4 colors here. AE square. Okay. And the last one, let me say DE square. Alright. Chaliye. Now, to get left hand side, I'm going to take first blue. AE. Look in the figure. Where is AE? Well, there's no line segment, but points A and E are there. So join them. A is here, E is here. Join it. So you got a right triangle ACE. So you are getting that what? AE square is equal to बोलिए EC square plus AC square. So I'll write that. EC square plus AC square. तो मुझे ये मिल गया. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next is BD. B is here, D is here. Once again I have to draw the line segment. Yes, it is also a side and luckily hypotenuse of right triangle BCD. So BD square is equal to BC square plus CD square. BD square is equal to BC square plus CD square. Yeah, so you can go for this. You can go for it. You'll get your left hand side. Call this 1, this 2. So by 1 and 2, AE square plus BD square is equal to EC square plus AC square plus BD square plus CD square. Alright? Children, please. Now look. On right hand side, I want AB square, the green one. The green one. This is what I want. But it's not there on the right hand side. But if you look in the figure, green right triangle, can you see? ABC. So AB square is AC square plus BC square. Oh, that we have got. See that? AC square plus BC square. What is AC square plus BC square? AB square. Wow, we got this. Now we want DE square. यहाँ दो चीज बाकी है. Let's see in the figure. Where is D? Here. Where is E? Here. Join it. Yes, now you got the black right triangle. बोलिए. DE square is CD square plus EC square. अरे वो तो है. EC square plus CD square. That is DE square. मिल गया right hand side. Proved. Correct? लेकिन आपने देखा. We used Pythagoras theorem in 4 right triangles. 4 right triangle है. First triangle में AE hypotenuse है. Second triangle में BD hypotenuse है. Third triangle में AB hypotenuse है. और fourth triangle में DE hypotenuse है. And in all 4 triangles we use the result. So when we start the proof, हम चारों triangle का result ले लेंगे पहले. Alright, चलिए. Data and to prove. Yes, you are going to write proof. मैंने DE को जोड़ दिया क्योंकि यहां DE है. BD को जोड़ दिया क्योंकि BD है. और AE को जोड़ दिया क्योंकि AE भी है. बस. I'll pick up first AE. Let me pick up AE. AE means blue triangle wala, right? ये. So in triangle AEC, angle C is right angled. Angle C is right angled. Therefore, that AC square, let me write in blue. AC square is equal to, बोलिए, sorry, AE square, hypotenuse is AE. AE square is equal to AC square plus EC square. AC square plus EC square. Result number 1. Alright? Fine. Now the word I am going to use. Similarly, in a triangle red, that red part wala, BD. So you can say BDC, triangle BDC. फिर वो green triangle ABC, triangle ABC, and the black wala DE. So this one CDE, triangle CDE. We get, बोलिए red में BD square is equal to BC square plus CD square. BC square plus CD square. चलिए फिर वो ग्रीन वाला ट्राइंगल में AB साइड है. AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square. BC square plus AC square. right? And the last one, black triangle, DE square. DE square is equal to CD square plus EC square. CD square plus EC square. Alright? Got it? Or combiningly, I'm going to call it result 2. साथ में ये अलग अलग हर एक ट्राइंगल के लिए नहीं लिखना है. Are you getting me? चलिए. Now, I pick up left hand side. Now, left hand side, that is equal to AE square plus BD square. Correct? Now, what is AE square from result 1 and a BD square from result 2? लिख दो. AC square plus EC square. For this, AC square plus EC square. And for this, BD square, BC square plus CD square. Yeah, little bit rearranging the terms. जरा rearrange करो. ये AC square और BC square साथ में लिखो. AC square plus BC square. और ये दोनों को साथ में लिखो. Plus EC square plus CD square. Okay. Now देख लीजिए result 2 में BC square plus AC square is what? AB square. That is equal to AB square. और यहां देख लो EC square plus CD square या CD square plus CD square. That is what? DE square. This is by 2 and that is equal to right hand side. और right hand side आ गया AB square plus DE square and you can say prove. Clear to you? I hope you have understood. That's easy. You should understand. There is 14th one. The perpendicular from A on side BC of triangle ABC intersects BC at point D. Very important. Such that DB is equal to 3 times CD. One extra condition is there. See figure below. I'll draw the figure. Prove that 2 times AB square is equal to 2 times AC square plus BC square. The figure is somewhat like this, children. This is ABC. Alright? From A, perpendicular to side BC. This is BC, children. And from A, let me draw perpendicular. Yes, this is perpendicular. And this D is a point on BC. So we got B dash, D dash, C. Is that clear to you? Yes. अब prove क्या करना है? Such that, okay, one more condition. Such that BD is equal to 3 times CD. So there is a relationship between BD and CD. BD और CD के बीच relationship है. Is that clear? Understood? Now see. What you have to prove? 2 times AB square. AB. Yes. Let me take that. AB. This one. 2 times. Okay. AB square. Yes. It is hypotenuse of right triangle. So you can get AB square directly. Don't worry much about 2. Okay. That you will get. Okay. So this is the right triangle from which you will get AB square. But we want on right hand side AC square and BC square. Alright? Chalo. Data to prove, you can write proof. I'll start. थोड़ा उल्टा जाएंगे. Proof. Please. I'm getting this AB very easily. Sorry, AB square very easily. So I'll get it. Please. AD is perpendicular to BC and B dash D dash C. This is by data. That is given. Perpendicular from A to BC and B dash D dash C. Okay, let's call this 1. Therefore, triangle ABD is right angled at D. Right angled at D by 1. Therefore, AB square in this triangle, alright, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. I can add AB square on both sides, children, if I want. Or I can multiply 2 on both sides to get 2 times AB square. लेकिन वो दूर की बात है, बाद में सोचेंगे. Now see, what we want on right hand side are AC square and BC square. और दूर दूर तक AC square और BC square मुझे right hand side पे नहीं दिखाई देते, right? So क्या किया जाए? What to do? Children, I have to transform AD square and BD square into AC square and BC square. सुनिए मेरी बात. Suppose you want something from your father. You want money or some cell phone or bike, and you have to ask your father. But your father is never happy with you because you don't study well, you are not disciplined, you do not work hard. Correct? So your father remains unhappy with you. So whenever you ask for something to your father, same time he refuses you. Alright? He denies. No, he will say no. So now when you want something from your father, yes, you will try to get him through your mother. You will approach your mother, tell her, please tell Papa to give me this. And when mother will explain to father, you will get it. So आपने connection बनाया father से, लेकिन indirectly, directly नहीं, through mother. कभी-कभी mother also is not happy. So what do? If you have to reach father, आप लंबी चेन बनाते हो ना? दीदी से कहेंगे, दीदी मम्मी को बोलो ना कि पापा को बोले मुझे एक सेल फोन ला के दो, right? So दीदी will tell mummy will tell daddy, and daddy will give you the thing. So पूरी चेन बना के you connected yourself with your father. ऐसा ही कुछ कनेक्शन बनाना पड़ेगा. AD और BD को कन्वर्ट करो, ट्रांसफॉर्म करो और AC और BC स्क्वायर लाओ. तो वो देखना पड़ेगा कहां है AD. पहले AD को देखो. हाँ, इसको मैं रिजल्ट 1 बोल दूं. Now look here. AD is here. Oh children, AD is one of the side of right triangle ADC. It is not hypotenuse. So you will not get AD square directly, but you will get from the Pythagoras. Correct? This is by 1, and you have to write by Pythagoras. चलिए, now ये right triangle pick up करेंगे हम. Also in right triangle ADC, बोलिए AD square is equal to, I'm sorry, it's not AD. Right angle के सामने तो AC है. So AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square plus CD square. मेरा फोकस AD square पे है क्योंकि वो मुझे ट्रांसफॉर्म करना है. साइड में AD square सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द फॉर्मूला. Therefore AC square minus CD square is equal to AD square, i.e. AD square is equal to AC square minus CD square. Let's call this result number 2. So ये AD square के लिए मुझे सब्स्टिट्यूशन मिल गया, that is AC square minus CD square. ठीक है, AC square वो मिल रहा है, लेकिन ये कुछ एक्स्ट्रा आ रहा है, उसका इलाज हो जाएगा. अब आप BD के बारे में सोचो. चलिए BD के बारे में सोचो. What is BD? Please, what is BD? BD या DB है, एक रिजल्ट यहां भी है. ऑलराइट, बराबर देखो. Now BD is equal to 3 times CD. Okay, look here once again. BD equal to 3 times CD. इसका बहुत अच्छी तरीके से आपको इस्तेमाल करना पड़ेगा. See children, here I've got the value of AD square to put. यहां मैं वैल्यू डाल दूंगा तो AC square minus CD square. So इसकी जगह पे AC square minus CD square. As I said, AC square आ गया, लेकिन मुझे चाहिए BC square. उसकी जगह पे मेरे पास BD और CD एक्स्ट्रा आया. That means BD और CD दोनों को BC में कन्वर्ट करना होगा. ये पापा है, ये मम्मी है, मम्मी थ्रू BC स्क्वायर लाना है. ये दीदी है, दीदी थ्रू मम्मी थ्रू पापा के पास पहुंचना है. कैसे? देखो, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड चिल्ड्रन. ओके, एक काम करते हैं. व्हाट इज BD? बिकॉज B dash D dash C. व्हाट इज BD? BC minus, okay, look here, BD plus CD is equal to BC. Am I right? BD plus CD is equal to BC. So I want to substitute for BD. So what is BD? BC minus CD is equal to 3 times CD. Therefore, BC is equal to 4 times CD. 3 times CD plus, okay, I'll write one more step, plus CD. Therefore, BC is equal to 4 times CD. मुझे ये CD के लिए चाहिए. Therefore, CD is equal to BC by 4. This is result number 3. तो इसको तो ट्रांसफॉर्म कर दिया. देखो, CD को BC तक पहुंचा दिया, अब BD को पहुंचाना है. तो यही रिजल्ट. Therefore, I continue. In place of CD, can I put BD by 3 is equal to, be careful, जरा समझो. Alright, BD ये CD है, उसकी जगह पे मैं क्या रख रहा हूं? BD upon 3. So BD upon 3 is equal to BC by 4. Therefore, BD is equal to 3 times BC upon 4. Result 4. So आपके पास BD का भी इलाज हो गया, उसकी भी वैल्यू मिल गई. करेक्ट? So now by 1, 2, 3 and 4. All right? Or only by 1 and 2. First you use that. By 1 and 2, it follows that क्या? AB square is equal to this AD square. What is AD square? AC square minus CD square. That I put for AD square. Plus BD square. There you are, children. AC square minus, what is CD? BC by 4. लेकिन square, so whole square. Plus, what is BD? 3 upon 4. BC, लेकिन whole square. देखो, आपके पास AB, AC और BC है. Now go for LCM upon 1 minus, this is BC square upon 16 plus 9 times BC square upon 16. So LCM is 16. Correct? 1 16s are 16 1s are and 16 1s are. Correct? Now 16 into AC square will be 16 AC square minus BC square plus 9 BC square. Got it, children? Okay? I'll erase this part. Finding it tough? It isn't. So 16 AC square minus 1 BC square plus 9 BC square is plus 8 BC square whole upon 16. Here 8 is common in the numerator. So 2 times AC square plus BC square upon 16. 8 1s are, 8 2s are. And what we had on left hand side? AB square. AB square. So I'm writing it here. Therefore, ये जो 2 डिनोमिनेटर में क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई 2 times AB square is equal to क्या बचा? 2 times AC square plus BC square and proved. Clear to you? Understood? Sure? You can do by some other methods as well. See children, what some children make mistake here. This is altitude, but BC is not hypotenuse because angle A is not right angle. So you can't use geometric mean result because there also you get squares like this. But you can't use geometric mean result here because angle A is not right angle. This altitude is not on hypotenuse. Got it? Fine children. If you have found this stuff like CD equal to BC by 4 and BD equal to 3 by 4 BC, then there is another way. I can pick up this instead of picking up what was given in the data. Alright? BD equal to 3 times BD equal to 3 times CD. That was given. It wasn't written BD, it was written DB. Okay? So, to get this and this, there is another way. So, that's what I am going to show you. Okay? Chaliye. I'll write it here to show that both the results are same. Okay? What you wanted, AD, आप वहां लिख दोगे तो AC square minus CD square आएगा और BD square है ही. So what we want CD and BD to be transformed into BC, which is possible here. पापा के पास पहुंचना जरूरी है और possible है, either through sister or through mother. ऐसा. Alright? B dash D dash C. Now B dash D dash C. Therefore, BD plus CD is equal to BC. Correct? We have value of BD in the information data में. So put BD. ये BD की value लिख दो. 3 times CD plus 3 times CD plus CD is equal to BC. So you got relation 4 times CD is equal to BC. मिला ना CD और BC के बीच relation. मुझे चाहिए CD. So I'll make CD subject of the formula. Therefore, CD is equal to BC by 4. This you got. That is result number 3. Correct? Okay? You got it, result number 3. Now, you have to put the value. You want relationship of BD with CD. So that you can use this result again. Alright? Use this again. What is CD from here? What is CD? Or what you can do? Yeah, you can put the value of BD. Yeah. What is CD from here? BD upon 3. Therefore, same children. CD is BD upon 3. That is equal to BC upon 4. Cross multiplication. So BD is equal to 3 by 4 times BC. There you are. That is the result number 4 that you got. So you can do that way if you have found that out. Moving on to the next one. Fine. In equilateral, that is number 15. Let me remind you, this was asked in the board examination March 2020. March 2020 में पूछा गया है board exam में. वो लोग slightly change करते हैं. Here they said prove that AD square upon 7 is equal to AB square upon 9. 7 और 9 को alter किया position. 9 उधर ले गए, 7 इधर. इतना चेंज किया स्टेटमेंट में. They do that quite often. Okay? चलिए. Let's see. In an equilateral triangle ABC, D is the point on side BC such that BD is equal to 1/3 BC. Prove that 9 times AD square is equal to 7 times AB square. This time we need relationship between AD and BD in the form of squares. If you remember the previous one, 2 times AB square is equal to 2 times AC square plus BC square. यहाँ AB, BC और AC के बीच relationship establish करना था. Here we have to establish relationship between only two, AD and AB. Alright? यहाँ कैसे किया? वो कैसे कनेक्शन किया? ओके, BD और CD का BC से. ऑलराइट, लाइक दैट यहां भी कुछ करना पड़ेगा. लेट्स सी. In triangle, equilateral triangle ABC, okay, I'll draw equilateral triangle. It should look equilateral. All three sides are equal. This is triangle ABC and it's equilateral triangle. Remember, it's an equilateral triangle. So all three sides are equal. D is a point on BC such that BD is equal to 1/3 BC. यहां थोड़ा सा कैलकुलेशन करेंगे. BD upon BC. Take BC on another side. 1/3. So BD is to BC is 1:3. Let BD is equal to 1K. Then BC will be 3K. Very interesting. अब समझो BC कहाँ है, BD कहाँ है. D point हमने रखा ही नहीं. D is a point on BC, but we don't know where to put. It's very interesting. BC is what? 3K. ये जो BC है, that is 3K. 3K जैसा लगता है ना? So you can take 3 points, divided into 3 parts. BC is 3K, so you are divided into 3 parts. The BD is 1K, so this point is D. K, 3K BD. So D can be kept here. Clear? Okay? ये समझना जरूरी है. Alright. Or you can place BD anywhere, but BD is equal to 3 times BC. BD is equal, 1/3 of BC. That is what you have to remember. चलिए. Data. आप लिखो. To prove. आप लिखो. I'll start with proof. ठीक है? चलिए. AD square is equal to AB square. अब क्या करें? क्या करें? हाँ, यहां AD इन्वॉल्व है. So I'll draw line segment AD. वो ड्रॉ करना जरूरी है. करेक्ट? बोलिए. अब स्क्वायर्स कहां से आएंगे? There is no right triangle. So how can you use Pythagoras? You can't. Correct? So right angle के लिए क्या चाहिए? If you want right angle triangle, squares तभी मिलेगा. Pythagoras तभी यूज कर सकते हैं when it is a right angle triangle. अभी सिचुएशन देखो. There is no right angle anywhere. There is no right triangle. There are 3 triangles: ABD, triangle ADC, and triangle ABC. But none of these 3 is right angle triangle. So, if you want to use Pythagoras, there should be right triangle. And for that, we can take altitude. Let AM be altitude. AM be altitude. So now you got right triangle. AMD, in which AD is involved. ये AD involved है. Then you have right triangle AMB, in which AB is involved. So ये दो right triangle आपको use करना ही है. All right. So I'll start with AM perpendicular to left. AM be perpendicular to BC and B dash M dash C. B dash M dash C. Okay? यहां डेटा में B dash D dash C तो आप लिखने वाले ही है. Alright? Okay, I'll write data. Triangle ABC is equilateral. Alright? D is point on BC such that BD is equal to 1/3 of BC and B dash D dash C. B dash D dash C. So now you have B dash D dash M dash C. Combine करेंगे तो. Anyway. Now children, I continue. What is AM? Altitude. But this triangle is equilateral. Point A से draw किया altitude में AB is equal to AC because it is equilateral. So altitude AM is also median AM. This you will have to remember, children. Alright? Therefore, altitude AM is equal to median AM. If AM is median, then M is midpoint. Therefore, M is midpoint of BC. Therefore, BM is equal to CM is equal to half of BC. BM equal to CM equal to half of BC. Let's call it 1. Alright? चलिए. Now I pick up the triangle. Right triangle. पहले ये blue वाला triangle pick up कर देते हैं. In triangle ADM. बोलिए. AD square is equal to AM square plus DM square. Result 2 by Pythagoras. Correct? Now you pick up triangle ABM. Here you may write in right triangle. In right triangle ABM. Okay? AB square is equal to AM square plus BM square. Result 3. आपके पास AD और AB हैं. Alright? So you can substitute the value of AM there. यहां से AM की वैल्यू वहां डाल सकते हैं. और one beautiful idea we have. Subtract कर दो. AD square minus AB square by 2 and 3 follows that. तो क्या होगा? AM square कट हो जाएगा. आपने थर्ड चैप्टर लीनियर इक्वेशन इन 2 वेरिएबल्स देखा है. सुरेश सर ने कराया है. राइट? एलिमिनेशन. देखो, AM square can be eliminated if you take if you subtract left hand side and right hand side. So I'm writing that by 2 and 3 it follows that be careful. AD square I'm taking minus AB square is equal to ये माइनस हो गया, ये माइनस हो गया, ये माइनस हो गया. करेक्ट? सो AM स्क्वायर माइनस AM स्क्वायर गॉन. कट कर दो इसको. और यहां DM स्क्वायर माइनस BM स्क्वायर एंड कॉल इट रिजल्ट नंबर 4. ऑलराइट? ओके, इसको रिजल्ट नंबर 4 नहीं कहते हैं. आई विल टेक दिस AB स्क्वायर ऑन अदर साइड. AD स्क्वायर अलोन चाहिए. सो आई एम टेकिंग दैट. देयरफॉर AD स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू माइनस AB स्क्वायर वो बाजू चला गया, AB स्क्वायर प्लस DM स्क्वायर प्लस BM स्क्वायर. रिजल्ट नंबर 4. अभी वो बात आई जो कनेक्ट पापा, ओके, इनडायरेक्टली किसके साथ? DM और दूसरा BM. नाउ लुक एट DM. अब DM देखो, क्या वो BC के साथ कनेक्ट हो सकता है? क्या AB के साथ कनेक्ट हो सकता है? एंड डोंट फॉरगेट AB equal to BC equal to AC because triangle is equilateral. Correct? All 3 sides are equal. That I didn't write here. We should have written that also. I have written here equilateral. Okay, doesn't matter. Chalo. Now DM has some connection with BM. पहले DM का सोचते हैं. Now B dash, D dash, M dash, C. Therefore, this DM, be careful, DM, this whole, actually BD and DM are the parts of BM. So I can say DM is whole minus the second part. So I'm writing that DM, or let me write this, BD plus DM is equal to BM. Again, my focus is on DM. You can see here, therefore DM is equal to BM minus BD. Correct? Alright. Now, I've got relationship. What is BD? 1/3 of BC. And what is BM? Here, BM, half of BC, because M is midpoint. So, BM is half of BC. I'm writing BC by 2 minus BD is 1/3 of BC. I'm writing BC by 3. So, you got relation of DM with BC. Chaliye. LCM is 6. 2 3s are 6. 3 2s are 6. So, 3 into BC, that is 3 times BC minus 2 into BC, 2 times BC. 3 times BC minus 2 times BC is BC, BC by 6. So I got DM is equal to BC by 6. This is result number O. Not this. I don't want BC, I want AB. But triangle is equilateral. BC equal to AB equal to AC. So therefore, DM is equal to AB by 6. Result 5. Because AB equal to BC equal to AC. That is the reason. So इसका मिला, अब BM का चाहिए. BM का डायरेक्ट मिलने वाला है. We can get quickly. BM का quickly मिल जाएगा. For that I'll have to erase this part. Remember this was asked in the board examination, previous board examination. All right. Fine. Now look at this BM. By BM is half of BC. Again, BM is half of BC, but BC is equal to AB. Therefore, BM is equal to half of AB, or you may write AB by 2. Result 6. Because AB equal to BC equal to AC. Fine. इसमें DM की वैल्यू डालेंगे और BM की वैल्यू डालेंगे. रिजल्ट 4, 5. यहां से ये रही वैल्यू DM की. ऑलराइट, DM की वैल्यू. Okay, so 4, 5 and 6. So by 4, 5 and 6, it follows that what? You have AD square. So let me write AD square is equal to AB square. So AB square plus. Now comes DM square. Children, अब DM square की बारी. What is DM? AB by 6. So AB by 6 whole square plus बारी BM square की. BM is AB by 2 and the square. So write whole square. चलिए, जो हमें प्रूव करना था, टू प्रूव, क्या प्रूव करना है? 7 times AD square is equal to 9 times AB square. तो सिर्फ AD और AB ही है यहाँ. Okay, that is AB square upon 1 plus AB square upon 36 plus AB square upon 4. Find the LCM is 36. Correct? 136 36 ones are 4 9s are 36 into AB square 36 AB square plus 1 AB square plus 9 AB square. All are like terms. 36 plus 9 45. 45 plus 1 46. 46 AB square upon 36. That is AD square. Alright? Got it, children? So, take it on other side, children. Is this 37 and 46. Alright. Therefore, take 36 on this side. 36 AD square is equal to 46 AB square. Something went wrong. Some calculation. Is it okay? 4, no. Some calculation went wrong. Now where it went wrong? AD square. Yeah, children, this is minus here. Can you see this? this is minus. Sir put plus here. देखो ये रिजल्ट 4 में ऊपर का स्टेप देखो. By mistake I wrote plus. It is minus. So that is minus bm square. This will be minus bm square. Minus. So this will be minus 37 minus 9. 37. 36 plus 1, 37. 37 minus 9. How much is that? 20. 37. Is it correct? Dm square. Okay. 36 plus 1. 37 minus 9 is 28. Correct? 37 minus 9 is 28. Upon 36. 4 sevens are, 4 nines are. आपका रिजल्ट मिल गया. 9 यहाँ, so 9 times AD square, और 7 यहाँ. This is 7 times. Actually, it is 9 times AD square and 7 times AD square. I should have written later now and to prove. Chalo. So your result is proved. Okay? 9 times AD square is equal to 7 times AB square. Proved. I hope you understood it. I made mistake in sign here. That's why we were not getting the answer. Don't make such mistake. You have to be very careful. Okay? Fine. Okay? This is the last and final one. Number 17. Because 16 we have already done. Alright? Pick the correct answer and justify. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to 6 root 3. AC is equal to 12. And BC is equal to 6. The angle B is dash. Is it 120, 60, 90 or 45? ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता है. ये हो सकता है. Possible है 120 या ऑब्वियस एंगल हो सकता है. Right? चलिए. Now let's write all three sides. AB is equal to 6 root 3. AC is equal to 12. BC is equal to 6. आपको कौन सा ट्राइंगल है याद करो. स्क्वायर्स बना दो. दिस इंप्लाइज AB स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू बोलिए रूट 6 रूट 3 स्क्वायर which implies AB square is equal to 6 square 36 multiplied by root 3 square 3 18 and 10. So that is 108. AC square, squaring both sides, will be 12 square, which implies AC square is equal to 144. And the last one, BC square, BC equal to 6, so squaring both sides is equal to 6 square, which implies BC square is equal to 36. सबसे बड़ा कौन सा है? AC square. बाकी का दोनों का टोटल करो. AC square 144 लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे लिख दिया मैंने, और बाकी का टोटल 108 plus 36 4 4 1. Hooray! That is also 144. So here the biggest side is square. AC square is equal to the sum of squares of the other two sides. So AC is hypotenuse. So AC के सामने वाला एंगल B is right angle. B का ही पूछा है एंगल B. So it is 90 degree. So answer is C. Got that, children? Sure? Done? Alright. Now, in yesterday's session, there was sum number 8. One child, yes, sent me a message on my WhatsApp that please do that sum again. He did not understand it well, especially maybe the second part. Alright. Good. Any queries that you ask will be solved, but don't expect me every time to put in the video, right? Because it is the sum, you can see it again and try to understand that. Okay, but since this is the last video and I have got space here, I'll do the 8th one again for you, especially the second part. Alright, from exercise 6.5. revisiting this. Alright, as someone asked me. Here is the figure of 8th one. In triangle ABC, D is in the interior and its right angle at B. OD is perpendicular to BC, OE is perpendicular to AC, and OF is perpendicular to AB. I'm just going to prove the second result. Alright? Now see, I'm going to focus on what is on left hand side. उसमें पहला part है AF. If you look here, AF, it's a side, I'll make it red. Alright? Now, here is a right triangle. So, आप दूसरी side ये ले सकते हो. And the third side, of course, you will have to take this. Now, right angle is F. So, hypotenuse is AO and not AF square. So, you will not get directly. Okay? Proof, I'm starting here. Okay. We can write this. OD is perpendicular to BC, OE is perpendicular to AC, and OF is perpendicular to AB. Result 1 by data. Since ये perpendicular है, triangle AFO is right angle. Therefore, triangle AFO is right angled at F by 1. Therefore, angle F के सामने वाला side OA. So you can say OA square is equal to AF square. Okay, AF square plus OF square. But you are interested in AF square. Therefore, AF square is equal to AF square का subject को formula बनाएंगे तो OF square minus हो जाएगा. So OA square minus OF square. I used reflexivity as well, not reflexivity, symmetry. Alright, result 2. This is result 2. Now, दूसरा है BD. BD is here. Angle D is right angle, so दूसरी side ये and ये triangle. Correct? So, similarly, in right triangle, BDO and one more CE. Where is CE? Here. Correct? And at angle E is right angle. So second side is OE. And the third side you can take this. So that is triangle CEO. Okay? What you will get? सुनिए children, बराबर सुनो. ये क्या मिला? OA square is AF square. Sorry. AF square, क्योंकि हमें AF square चाहिए, is hypotenuse. OA is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square minus remaining side. So अब triangle BDO में देखो, हमें चाहिए what? BD. हमें ये चाहिए, ये यहाँ ये चाहिए था. So hypotenuse square minus remaining side. This square will be hypotenuse minus remaining. So बोलिए BD square is hypotenuse OB square minus remaining side OD square. And in this triangle, हमें चाहिए CE. So hypotenuse square minus remaining side. So CE square is equal to hypotenuse is OC square. And then OE square. Result 2. Result 3. Right? By 2 and 3 you will get the left hand side. AF square plus BD square plus CE square. AF square plus BD square plus CE square. Alright? So by 2 and 3. By 2 and 3. It follows that. बोलिए AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to this plus this plus this. ये तीन टर्म नेगेटिव है, पॉजिटिव को डायरेक्ट हम साथ में लिखते हैं. OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OF square minus OD square minus OE square. I'm going to call result first. I'm calling that result first. Got that, children? Sure? ये result समझ में आया? Now I'm going to remove this. Okay? And try to get what is on right hand side. AE, CD and BF. Okay. I should not be removing this, but I'll have to. till here I will remove, till here. Okay. देखिए now, AE, where is AE? It's here, AE, right angled at E. So ये और ये तीसरी साइड हुई. Then CD, CD is this, right angled at D. So this is second side and this is the third side. Third BF, this is BF, right angled at B, sorry, right angled at F, and this is the third side. Is that clear? All right. Now, triangle, which triangle? ये AE वाला. कौन सा है AE? ये triangle AEO. Now, triangle AEO. फिर triangle CDO. Triangle CDO. And triangle BFO. BFO are right angled respectively at E, at D and F by 1, because these are perpendicular, one में है, correct? Therefore, by Pythagoras, we get डायरेक्ट लिखने वाले हैं. मुझे AE चाहिए, ये this one, this is what I want. So hypotenuse square minus the remaining side. AE square is equal to AO square minus OE square. फिर CD चाहिए, CD यहाँ. So hypotenuse CD square is hypotenuse square OC square minus OD square. और ये ट्राइंगल में BF square is equal to hypotenuse square OB square minus OF square. Call it result number 4. 3 था 4. By 4, it follows that. देख लीजिए. Sum of left hand side, that gives me AE square plus CD square plus BF square is equal to, पॉजिटिव पहले लिखता हूं. ओके, इसको OA कर देते हैं, सब पहले O लिखते हैं. तो OA स्क्वायर प्लस OC स्क्वायर प्लस OB स्क्वायर, और ये तीनों माइनस है. OE स्क्वायर माइनस OD स्क्वायर माइनस OF स्क्वायर. एंड दिस आई एम गोइंग टू कॉल इट रिजल्ट सेकेंड. देख लीजिए रिजल्ट फर्स्ट और सेकंड में. ये लेफ्ट हैंड साइड है, ये लेफ्ट हैंड साइड है जो अलग है. बट राइट हैंड साइड देखो, OA स्क्वायर OC स्क्वायर OC स्क्वायर प्लस OB स्क्वायर प्लस OB स्क्वायर माइनस OE स्क्वायर माइनस OE स्क्वायर माइनस OD स्क्वायर माइनस OD स्क्वायर माइनस OF स्क्वायर माइनस OF स्क्वायर. So the two boxes are equal to the same thing. Right hand sides are equal. So this, therefore, यहाँ लिखेंगे by first and second, it follows that these two boxes are equal to the same thing, so they are equal. It follows that this AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square, and that is true. Result number 2. I hope you have understood that. Okay, so we end up this chapter. The session is over. So I have done chapter 1 and 6. You will get assignment for both the chapters. First, I'll give you assignment for second chapter, that is 6th chapter, and then for first also to revise. All right. So I'll be coming up with new chapter next time. By then, goodbye.